Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable camera location tags on Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to camera application in your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, okay, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in camera settings, okay, in useful features section, you can see the location tags. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, you can enable this by switching on the switch button on the right side. Okay, if this enable, add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled camera location tags on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.